Ready for your first jackrabbit? California Exotic Novelties began it all with the original jackrabbit, and today it's a worldwide sensation. Presenting My First Jackrabbit, part of the starter level of jackrabbits. The My First Jackrabbit is easy to operate with 2 speeds of independent vibration. And look, it rotates. The rotation is reversible, and non-jamming beads offer a deep, rumbly feeling. Check out the amazing pliable head and flexible rabbit with flickering ears. A dream to handle with its easy push buttons. Made of safe and pure materials. Waterproof for fun in the shower, tub, or even the pool. Also makes cleaning super easy. Insert 4 AAA batteries into the Easy Load battery pack and you are ready to go. The world famous jackrabbit just got better with the My First Jackrabbit.